she's cruel, but she knows what she's doing. She pushed me in the pool at her last school reunion. She laughs at my dreams, but I dream about her laughter. Strange as it seems, she's the one I'm after. 'Cause she's bittersweet, she knocks me off of my feet, and I can't help myself, I don't want anyone else. She's a mystery, she's too much for me, but I keep coming back for more. She's just the girl I'm looking for.
3 years ago, my journey began, chasing down this cure, no plan in hand. Just your pulse, my racing guide in the dark. Just knowing with conviction from the start. At the moment your eyes made an introduction, I felt my second violin breath of life. Flawless to the point of being godly, yet I fell hard for your imperfections. And now we're slightly, whether we're slightly on our hands, grip together eye to eye through the storm. Yeah, I still believe in ever after with you. Yeah, 'cause life is a pleasure with you by my side, and there ain't no current in this river we can't ride. I still believe in ever after with you.
Minamasdan kita nang hindi mo alam. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Mapupulang labi at matingkad mong ngiti, umaabot hanggang sa langit. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Ang awit ng aking puso, sana